tabiriba malim na province na kok Nigeria. Chin kuki jo makoigi policy program haibasi mayam na amaromda yam na phajana khandaraga chatpa ngaktani makoin tawri punamagase moina tawri base to kill two birds by one stone haibado nung na mana uchek ani hat ke hana tawba ge plan na mana tawri base masi mokoi policy program si mochi jam na tangdule tan khanar koi gumba haphazard oina hetang ngasi si tawr si hayeng si ta hairu sai je akoi jhat mangni pat sadi kani BJP ne jam pamul londa da haji ta hairu nupi sapat nungal ge ta thangdo ge ta kene to ga khoi gi dil hong bi hekan to bese nei nupi ne nungal pro pag jhat mangni pat sadi kani am paj paj londa BJP di yauri ye BJP ne tambajai mase moi ngang ji tam adu gi bhap ta moi tawte mo di very long term policy Manipur dangasi attack tori be particularly community amada Manipur the meti they can attack tori but this is not one day's program or 1 year program. This is a very long time, so many decades they have taken from all over the world. Manipur ka mancha toxic since it is very soft state and sober people, very weak people. Adun mo koy dilam leito mini na country leito mini na Manipur sa mo ni capture tor ka to budandi matang siga vote lepo sa mo karoy have sa mo kangi. Aduh Bharat Sarkar the money signal amas pinning till you concede our demand hai ba kone talib demand say separate administration so called union territory meti na koi ba hat na koi lun tumme meti na koi ba chathok kre akoi ba hathok kre hai na mainland gi Indian paper the anti Manipuri mayam gi highlight tor be pon maksina prachar taw na khot na pamang mang den akoi se different picture piba. So also Bharat Sarkar, Parliament BJP government ke Bharat Sarkar, matik magun leirba, asina su mit anishi manung dama ushalaga amadana anishi pangdho ka bhajani jengba, amadana mamit se ushalaga jening dagum tauba, asigumba policies se government of India ki hide and seek policies or kai su some hatred attitude gumba leibra, haibesa make sing na koi kangye. BJP ki na Parliament Sarkar BJP leaders mayam without any hesitations I squarely blame all of you Bharat Sarkar puri bana koida adre BJP kuki singsina chin kuki jogi candidate leitri base kariguna haida ngasaina urokama hat ke urokani hat ke ar badi nung man urokani hat pese jamwana thokpani na adre makoini urokani se aim toruga a heart pegi bhapta mane tawbani so the direct signal makone government of India the noni Mr. Biren Singh Lokthuk Tribadi as a chief minister we will not have any kind of negotiations with you have moki hana amalady because he happened to be Maitai chief minister nokning ba masiguma min khalui da base ngang base mukhoi ngami but our government too weak BJP government paliba wa ngang ba ngamjedaba Bharat Sarkar ki shor holoi ga honba shor hongunu harir ga hondar leiba maramdi their own kui kari haine kui drip kap leiba do to banina aduna BJP candidate miyo achu ba maichu ma lokthok de toba kholama toba akone so we raise our voice why the chief minister is to be shifted for the member of parliament so when taba phangi ko se ka tawi khole du akom bada Mr. Basant honorable minister education do na tai haina tai chun kuki jo de lakpada moi khangi how they expect that they will win it chin kuki jogi terrorists you are murderer you have killed so many innocent people you are the anti Manipur you are not only anti Manipuri nagagi group mayek sang na tabiu ati sagi so mayek sang na tabiu this is the conflict between the Manipur and these chin kuki terrorists Kari tamak tang si kui group ati kuntra mari lebeta why we have not come and spell out you people what you are doing is wrong haibangam de kari is there something conspiracy or you are also trying to give help to the other community those who are waging war against the Manipur this is the conflict of Manipur the late 34 community against the Tauri base Manipur lang the women's all the Naga and all the tribes all the plain people all the Biharis Bengali Marwari Tamil Mayam Nepali layer punang mas khoi diloni attack tawbani still you have some hesitation to say adu tobigano aduni chin kuki jo they are very intelligent they are super intelligent they are very crooked too Makwidi, they see that 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years they plan to roll lakpaga तरक प्लान ने मुखोई by any means बसे खर भाउदी achieve तौनन बा हाइनो होनेगनी हाइनो होनरकपने मोई प्लान सिगा अखोइना we have miserably failed. Reason being, India government, it seems to be biased. I say again and very emboldenedly, मैं तानकर मैं आपको भारत सरकार को मैं अर्जी करता हूं, आपके इस घमंडी से, आपका हमारे तरफ अंधे कानून की तरह आप हमें आंखें बंद करके जिस तरह हमें आप न्याय नहीं मिल रहे हैं, क्या आप उनको सर पे चढ़ा करके हम लोगों को मरवाने का आप कोई प्लान तो नहीं? ये हमें आपका अंगुली उठाकर हमें आपका कहना पड़ रहा है. आई एम सॉरी टू से, क्योंकि अभी तक अपने सस्पेंशन ऑपरेशन को, इन किलरों को, इन शैतानों को, शैतान का हड्डियों को आपने इनसे हथियार अभी तक आपने इनका हाथ से आपको उतार करके आप क्यों उनके कैंप में क्यों नहीं रखे गए? Have you forgotten that you are one of the tripartite talk, you are the head, that no suspension operation, this nefarious people are not supposed to move out beyond the camp. They should not handle the arms ammunition. If at all to be checked arms and ammunition, this is by the government of India's representative and the shoes activists. They have to jointly open that the condition is there. There is also another clause, Bharat Sarkar. Have you forgotten? You have mentioned that 𝐒𝐨𝐧𝐚𝐬𝐤, this suspension of operation, these activists, these people, they should not, they themselves signed it that they will not interfere and they will not wage any war against the Manipur government or against the India. They have mentioned that. Yet, भारत सरकार अपना अभी तक उनको ऊपर इतने दया क्यों है? और हमारे मणिपुरी लोगों को ऊपर, मणिपुर का सिटीजन के ऊपर इतने निर्दय क्यों है आप भारत सरकार? हम बार बार हम ये प्रश्न कर रहे हैं. Why? What is your attitude? What's your behavior? Why you are differentiating Manipur into pieces? Do you want that Manipur to be split again and again? No. आखिरी खून तक हम होने नहीं देंगे भारत सरकार. You are solely responsible it, and you are also being supported by the Manipur government, by the BJP government. BJP government is a dummy government. They have no right. Even the minister or the MP, whosoever goes, they can't open mouth. Whatever the government of India decides, they just come just like a dummy. They come and they give a statement. That's all. We don't want such kind of MP. We want an MP who can deliver goods. Either he is from the Congress or the MPP or the any other candidates or from the BJP, who can work and who can ventilate and who can ask the government of India for the development and for the integrity of Manipur. Such kind of MP candidate akoy thagat ke dabani masiga ko phammaga ada chalaga magi esi banglo do phamga nuairaga chehi manga ge tolop lauraga phamma lakh phangaga tobadu mi MP akoy pamde. Either one may be minister or one may be MP. So what? You are elected by us, by one single vote, by me or by my two colleagues and by another colleague. Manipuri tamuk tabak tobungam draba Manipur langak ki tabak tobungam der. All of you, we don't want to see your face, whatever might be your position. Manipur ki tawri puna magase akoy ne maya mot panadabadi ye party mein mot panagadabni adigi ministers government su thawak chang yauna mase government of India demand tawgadabni. Vote की मतंग तौसनरगा मखोंग पाइने तौर पैसा जेलगा vote लेगनी हाइबदो हंदक्ति पैसा जेन मीद को vote थादगनु अखोना पामबदी below 60 years the age the लेबा. I say it again and again, you like it or not, toothless tiger ay duno ya yaugdar bachi marfu matak taliba ay no MP on tagal any kari togduri. What can I do? And what they have done it? So many MPs, what they have done for Manipur mangal la chakhiba macha masu jumgra sara kolga Delhi koi be korpa lagpa ata president gi bhavan da laga issue other duty to bunina laga 15 August ki da 26 January da party jo kopal laga show to lakane Congress ki tupi upar lakane to. That's all. Adura Manipuri MP show to banoi ma'am. We don't want to see you. If you cannot perform or if you cannot protect the integrity of Manipur, no MP will regard. Either maybe from BJP or Congress or MPP or any party, let you go to hell. We don't bother you. We want that any MP from any party karakpa singdam Manipur lenga ngakpa achumba thabak tobangamba akoi Manipur chakhot thorangi tamakta haibi bangamba thabak tona pubirakpa Manipur tangdu laitan integrity phajan ngakpa ngam adu MP candidates akoi pami habisindam ai ahama first round thamjege. Thank you.